These are the scariest bird sounds in the world. The first one is kiwi. The shoebill stork. Loon. Horn screamer. White bellbird.